Hello, everyone. So I'm going to talk to you guys today about this website called Onnit. I was introduced to this website about a year and a half ago by listening to Joe Rogan's podcast. You know, Onnit is a complete and health and wellness site, and as you can see right here, they have categories for supplements, nutrition, fitness, of course, apparel to support their company. And then they also have the content page, which is actually the most beneficial part of this website. But before I get to that, I'm going to go to supplements just to show you a few examples. So as you can see, they have really easy to read categories that go anywhere from your mood and sleep all the way to your immune system. And the great thing about this too is because supplements is such a vast variety, they give you information on all of these things. So let's say you want to strengthen your joints, you want some joint oil, to release some inflammation. So you just click on it, and it gives you a video to watch that just gives you all the information about it, and also like examples how to use it. Tells you the benefits of the joint oil, explains the certification for it, and also just tells you about all the ingredients. So if you scroll down, you get this really awesome graphic right here that looks delicious, even though it's a cream or an oil rather. And it just tells you all of the ingredients, why they use them, what's the research behind it all. There's the certifications, the benefits here, and that is for every single supplement that is in this category here. Alpha Brain is a good one. It improves your memory and focus. It gives you the research for all of that. Your creatine, mineral electrolytes, key minerals, like all of these things. As I said before, supplementation is such a vast variety, so being able to have all of this right here with information is great. They also have nutrition here too, anywhere from snacking, like right here with like the elk bar. Same thing. Click on it, and you get all of you get recipes for it, the ingredients. I believe they even have the nutrition facts on here, closer to the bottom. Let's see here. Yep, right here. Go like right off the bat. Go ahead and gives you the nutrition facts, which is just great. Gives you a recipe right here. It's absolutely fantastic. And the great thing about this is all of their nutrition is keto diet friendly, and also some vegan and everything like that. As you can see here, keto hot sauce. I haven't tried that yet, but I hear it's really good. Fitness right here. They have kettlebells, clubs and maces, bags and balls, ropes. All of these things that are more functional strength and not so much building muscle, but like really increasing joint mobility. And these things, these are exercises and like materials that you can use at home, in your backyard, which is just absolutely fantastic. They have some pretty awesome ones too. They have Star Wars kettlebells. I mean, it's pretty awesome to be able to work out with Darth Vader's head as a weight. But let's go into content here. And this is really the biggest thing right here. So this is just the part where they post a plethora of up-to-date, research articles on health, nutrition, wellness, everything that you would need to cover it. Anywhere from 4 kilo arm workouts to do at home, metabolic conditioning workouts for MMA fighters, like all of these great things. And they have a search tab up here too. And so if I just wanted to look up, like get more information, let's say the keto diet, just type it in here, press the search button, and right here, just a plethora of information for all of this. And this goes for anything you type up regarding health. Now they also have, fitness right here, like building muscle, body weight exercises, how to use their kettlebells, all the machines that or all of the equipment that they have here. They show you how to use them. There's also a place where you can, make your goals. So if you want to make a mindset goal here, they can kind of help you manage that and train that. Right here, which is just absolutely great. And then they also have certification too that you can go through. Excuse me. There's like these courses that you can take and get different certifications for different things. So let's go to the courses here. So you can become a specialist in kettlebells, steel mace, steel clubs, barbell. Let's check out the foundation certifications here. Here's the learning objectives, power principles, prerequisites, and then they also give you the price as well. So this website has everything that you would need to know about health and wellness. As I said, I got into it listening to the Joe Rogan podcast. He has a lot of people on there talking about wellness and nutrition, and that's one of the things that I like the most about it. And he always advertises this company and mainly this content page of this because they are constantly adding up to date articles and research on here that is up to date on nutrition, health, and wellness. It is really, really good for anybody just getting started because you can go in here and learn everything that you need to know just with the search. It is absolutely fantastic. So, highly recommend you guys getting into it. It can help you out tremendously with any goal or fitness, wellness, anything of that nature that you want to get into. It is absolutely great. So, thank you for your time. I hope you visit on it and